I didn't see you yet today, but I've seen you done a lot of work. That's good. And that's a start. Already almost more than doubled what you had before. So hopefully you're in the right direction here. Um, I just saw this problem. Hopefully you check your email at some point and get to take a look at this. All right. So in these problems involving multiplying and dividing and simplifying fractions, the thing we got to remember is it's that factors are what's going to cancel. So the first thing we need to do is get everything factored. So let's take, for example, this 2d squared minus 32. For some reason, my pen isn't writing very nice right now. We can break that down into 2d squared minus 16. That's going to factor further too. But let's just do some of the first steps of factoring here. Downstairs, we have a 10 that can be factored out. So I have 10 times the quantity, d squared minus 16. 10 times d squared is 10d squared. 10 times negative 16 is negative 160. Oh, already I see some canceling that can be done, because d squared minus 16 divided by d squared minus 16 is just 1. And these are factors. That is, they're multiplied. They're joined to the various part of the fraction, the numerator and denominator, by multiplying, not by addition or subtraction. They are common factors, and they can be canceled right away. So we know that's coming. Let's see what goes on over on this side. 5 times the quantity. Well, 5 times d equals 5d. 5 times 40 equals 200. And downstairs, we have 5, let's see, d minus 4. Okay. And the 5's are in common, so they can be canceled. Over here, this 10 can be written 2 times 5. And so 2 is a common factor on top and bottom, so it can be canceled. Here, there are d's, but you'll notice it's not d times something that links it to this. It's d plus here, d minus here. So the d's aren't common factors. Same with 4. 4 is, there's still 4 is part of the expression 40. It's not like this numerator can be written as 4 times something. The whole thing has to be able to be written as 4 times something for 4 to be a factor. So we can't cancel the 4's. And so what we are left with is, up in the numerator, looks like d plus 40. Down in the denominator, it looks like 5 times the quantity, d minus 4. Let's see how MyMathLab likes that answer and see what we can do. So we have d plus 40 up in the numerator. And down in the denominator, we have 5 times the quantity, d minus 4. Oopsie, it's not typing like I wanted to. 5 times the quantity, d minus 4. Okay, now sometimes it wants me to multiply this back out, which I say is hogwash. Let's check it out and see what's, oh, it's not going to let me check the answer. The question is graded, it says. But that is how we go about this problem.
Actually feels good because then after practice, I'm just like,